Welcome to our series of videos taking a look at the characters section of Plottr. And in this video, we're going to look at editing and deleting characters. So you can see I have a character for the father wolf pulled up. To change any of the details about this character, I can simply click on the card and it will open all the information and I can change it here. So for instance, if I want to update the description to say father of the big bad wolf, I can also delete the image by clicking the remove button or choose an image and add it now. I can change the category. For instance, I can make him a main character. And I can edit or change any of the custom attributes or notes we've set up. Now, especially in the character section, many people like to add additional images for their characters. And you can do that here in the notes section by clicking on the image icon. So if I'd like to include a picture of his son, the big bad wolf, I can choose that here, and it will also be included in our card. And if we'd like to delete Father Wolf entirely, we can just click on the card again, and at the bottom left is a delete icon. And now Father Wolf has been removed. So that covers our brief introduction of editing and deleting characters. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and give the video a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for all our latest updates. And I'll see you in the next video.